Today we're going to be taking a look at the best custom fit vehicle wiring for your 2015 Lexus NX 200T. Over here on your right, we're going to have the Tekonsha, part number 118652. And here on your left, we're going to have the Curt, part number C56268. Even though both these install the same, Curt's going to have a slight advantage because you're not going to have to strip or split the fuse holder. As far as durability, I'm going to have to give that to the Tekonsha because of the potting material alone. As far as my personal opinion, I'm going to have to go with the Tekonsha because of the durability factor. I want to talk about one very important thing, and that's these converter boxes. What these are going to do, these are going to transfer or convert the signal from your vehicle taillights to your trailer through your 4-pole. The wires come in and they connect to a circuit board, and that's how you're getting the signal from your vehicle wiring to your trailer. Now the difference between these two, so on the Tekonsha, if you notice how the wires come in one side of the box, the whole inside of this converter box is filled with this potting material, which is really going to hold those connections well. On the Curt, they're going to come in both sides, and they're not going to have that same potting material holding it in place, which is going to make the Tekonsha much more reliable. Another difference, if you notice how the wires split from 2 up to 4. That connection is inside this plastic box on the Tekonsha. On the Curt, where the wires split, it's just got some heat shrink around it. That aspect alone, I think the Tekonsha is probably going to be a little bit more reliable. I would say, if I was going to pick, I'd rather have this plastic box covering my connection point than just a little bit of heat shrink. Now with our fuse holders. On the Curt, the wire is already going to be split, and the end of the wires are going to be stripped, so all you have to do is add your butt connector and your power wire to it. Where on your Tekonsha, you're going to have to cut that wire and then strip both wires. Not a big deal, but it is an extra step. Now as far as amps per circuit, for your Tekonsha, you're going to have 2.1 amps for your stop and turn signal and 7.5 amps for your taillights. Where your Curt, you're going to have 3 amps per circuit for your stop and turn signal and 6 amps for your taillights. One other minor difference I want to point out. With the Tekonsha, you're going to get some longer zip ties, and quite a few of them. With the Curt, you'll get a few zip ties, but they're really small. If you decide to go with the Curt, I would highly recommend getting the longer zip ties. It's going to make the install much easier. Now as far as similarities go between these two, these are both going to install exactly the same. They're going to hook up to factory wiring right behind your tail lights. They're going to come with fuse holders, dust caps to protect your 4-pole connections from any dirt, debris, moisture. They're also going to come with power wire that you're going to run up to your battery. And why that's important is you're actually drawing the power from the battery instead of drawing it from the tail lights. You're only getting the signal from the tail lights when they're hooked up. It's also going to come with an installation kit to get the wiring installed. I hope that I have helped make your decision a little bit easier on choosing the wiring harness that best suits your needs.